Hello Parvi.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Parvi Ashla. I am a girl, 3 years old. I study in Google Public School.
Okay Parvi, what is the date and day today?
Today is Wednesday.
And date?
Today is
14. डेट बोलो ना 14. एक बार बोलो 14 अक्टूबर 2020. अच्छा चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट. राइट द बिगिनिंग लेटर ऑफ गिवन.
Itself.
Yes. What is this?
Anda.
This is.
Anda.
ठीक से बताओ, इंग्लिश में बताओ.
Anda. Okay. This is egg.
Yes. Which sound is coming?
Letter E बना लो.
तो लेटर ई की साउंड बताओ पहले मुझे. लेटर ई की साउंड क्या होती है?
Letter E बन गई.
ई की साउंड बताओ.
ये देखो मम्मा.
ए. Yes. What is next?
उसे पापा की उसकी चाय डाली था वो.
हाँ, तो क्या कहते हैं इसे? Kettle.
Kettle.
बोलो this is.
This is kettle.
Which sound is coming?
This is kettle.
Which sound is coming? Sound. Yes. Which letter will you write here?
Letter K.
Write it down.
Standing.
Yes.
Standing. Standing.
Yes.
Standing.
यहाँ से बेटा डॉट से. Is this?
Kitchen.
Which sound is coming?
Kitchen.
Sound.
This is kitchen.
Which letter will you write here for the sound? Kha. Which letter will you write here?
K.
Write it down.
Okay.
इधर लिखो.
Standing line.
Yes.
Standing line.
थोड़ी सी बिग करो स्टैंडिंग लाइन. Yes. अब बनाओ स्लैंटिंग लाइन.
Standing line. Standing line.
Join. What is this?
Apple.
A.
A.
Which letter will you write for the sound A?
Apple.
Write down the letter.
Take a mama.
कौन सा लेटर लिखोगे?
A.
Write it down.
Standing line.
बनाओ A बनाओ.
दो.
Very good. What is this?
King.
Which sound is coming?
King.
Sound.
This is king.
Kha. Which letter will you write for the sound Ka? Letter. Which letter will you write for the sound Ka?
K.
Write it down.
Standing line.
Yes.
Standing line.
थोड़ी big.
Very good.
Very good.
Standing line.
Yes.
Yasi.
Yes. Good. Beautiful. Now what is this?
Keys.
पूरा बोलो.
This is keys.
Which sound is coming?
This is keys.
Sound बोलो sound.
This is keys.
फिर से बोलो. Okay. Which letter will you write for the sound Ka?
Ka.
Which letter will you write?
ये कैसी मैच होती है?
लेटर के ऐसे बोलते हैं, लेटर के.
लेटर के.
राइट इट डाउन.
Standing right.
Yes.
Both belly.
Very good.
That's it.
Yes. Very good. Finish.